the pomegranate pumpkin seed salad you'll want to eat every day this fall. Pomegranate cereals make this salad pop, plus, they're rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Pair them with roasted pumpkin seeds, and you get a salad that's sweet and savory and totally tasty. Note: I used mozzarella, but goat cheese and feta work well, too. Serves 2. Dressing: 1/2 c extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 c balsamic vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Salad: 2 c mixed baby greens, 1/2 c shredded mozzarella, 1/4 c pomegranate cereals, 2 tablespoons roasted pumpkin seeds. 1. In medium bowl, whisk oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper and set aside. 2. Divide greens, cheese, cereals, and seeds between 2 plates. Top with desired amount of dressing, toss, and serve.